Hello everyone, this is Anna from Amasterra, your essential oil specialist. It's really good to see you again. I hope you've been diffusing lately because today we're going to talk about different essential oils that we can use in different rooms for diffusion especially. Now, the idea of this video came to me while I was tidying my house, and I've noticed that there are basically everywhere in my house, there are essential oils, but they are different in each room, depending on how we use that room and depending on the energy of the room and the activities in that room. For example, in the kitchen, there are oils which I diffuse, and then there are oils which I use in my water. In the bedroom, there are oils for sleep and relaxation, for example, okay? So when we use our oils, we should also pay attention to our needs and how we want those oils to benefit us. So let's start with the kitchen. The kitchen is the place where we get nourishment from, yeah? So it's basically the place where we cook. Sometimes we eat there, if not, we eat in the dining area. But generally speaking, it is the place where we get our energy from, because food doesn't mean only nutrients, food means energy. That's why the person who's cooking should be very happy, or at least okay. If you're angry or if you're tired, you shouldn't be cooking. You should have a sandwich and that's it. So my recommendation is generally for citrus oils, which also help and stimulate digestion. And here we've got wild orange, lime, tangerine, which are extremely uplifting. They will make you happy. They will put you in a good mood, and they will stimulate the third chakra as well. In terms of blends, I recommend Citrus Bliss. And there is another very good blend, which is special for digestion. That's Digest-Zan, which helps your body digest, which supports the digestive system, generally speaking. But in terms of emotional benefits, it helps us assimilate experiences, assimilate processes, assimilate information. So generally speaking, it will be extremely useful in this area. All right. Now, moving on to the living room. The living room is the place where we generally spend time with our family. We feel good together. So I recommend different oils that support connection. And that's cedarwood, marjoram, geranium, for example, which help us feel connected and give us a sense of belonging. I also recommend different furs, Siberian fir, Douglas fir, which also reconnect us with our family and our ancestors and give us a sense of grounding. Yeah. In terms of blends, there is cheer, which will make us feel very energetic and happy. There is balance, which obviously will give us balance and will give us, again, a sense of feeling grounded. There is elevation, which will help our vibration, which will elevate us and give us certain good emotions and will help us get rid of the negative energy. And there is also the holiday joy and holiday peace blends, which are specific for holiday time, which we usually associate with Christmas, but they are also very beneficial during other times of year as well. If you have a home office or even at your workplace, in the office, I recommend oils that will help you focus. And here we have a very, very efficient trio. That's peppermint and lemon and lavender. Lavender will calm your racing thoughts, will help your brain reconnect, while peppermint and lemon will help you focus and will keep you alert. Another very good combination is rosemary, which supports your brain and cognitive function, and lemon as well, as I was saying, which supports focus. A good recommendation is green mandarin essential oil, which helps you unveil your potential and helps you feel good enough and helps you have brilliant ideas. In terms of blends, I recommend passion and motivate. That will give you the power to keep going whenever you feel like, I don't want to continue. There is also digest zen, as I was saying, which helps us assimilate. So if you're learning in your office, it will help you assimilate the new information. Now, a very important tip for therapists or people working with other people, there are a few blends and a few combination of essential oils which will protect you. Because when you're working with other people, the different energies blend, and sometimes you need to just purify and let go of those energies. And here we're talking about Terra Shield, which is a blend meant to protect us from different threats from the environment, basically insects, but energetically and emotionally speaking, it gives us a sense of protection. There is On Guard, which is also called protective blend, so it will protect us, obviously. And then a very good combination of individual oils is lemongrass, which helps purify spaces. There is ylang ylang and tea tree, which helps cut strings and helps disconnect you, let's say, from negative energies. Good. So we've talked about the day areas, let's say, the kitchen, the dining area, the living room, and the office. If we're moving on to the bedroom, I have different recommendations for children's bedrooms and parents' bedrooms or adults. Now, for children, you know that they generally, or they tend to be more active, let's say, they don't want to go to bed, or they have different fears. That's why lavender, that's why frankincense, that's why Roman chamomile, and especially juniper berry are very, very useful when it comes to children. Juniper berry is recommended, for example, when people have recurrent nightmares or irrational fears. And you know that children tend to have such fears. So juniper berry will help them get over those fears. Myrrh and frankincense are extremely calming, as well as lavender. And they will give the children a sense of connection with their parents. Myrrh stands for Mother Earth, and frankincense is the Divine Father. So they will feel connected to both parents, and then they will be safe, and then they will go to bed. In terms of blends, I recommend Serenity, which children usually love because it smells good. There is also Peace. Another very efficient combination, blend, for children is Console, because you know that children get upset because of different, more or less important reasons, and Console will help them get over those problems that they have, which we usually consider minor, but for them are very, very important. During the winter season, for example, I recommend a respiratory blend or air and the protective blend On Guard, which will help them get over maybe a blocked nose, let's say. Sometimes it will ease breathing and will help their brain oxygenate better, and then their sleep will obviously be better as well. Now, moving on to the adults' bedroom, there are at least two different directions that we can choose. In terms of rest and relaxations, there is basil, which is like the master essential oil in terms of exhaustion. So when you feel like you cannot do anything else, yeah, you're just too exhausted to go to sleep even, basil will help you. There is lavender, there is copaiba as well, which will put your mind in a relaxed state, will calm down those racing thoughts which don't usually let us fall asleep. Very good blends are Serenity, Balance, Peace, even Aroma Touch, which can be diffused. It can be used for massage, but it can be diffused as well, and it smells great, trust me. In terms of intimacy and passion in your relationship, there are certain oils that can help you with that as well. And there is geranium, there is ylang ylang, there is rose, there is jasmine, neroli, bergamot that will help you feel good enough and accepted. There is star anise that supports femininity. So make a mixture, a combination of 2 or 3, 4 tops oils. From these oils, see which you resonate with, which you like best, and add a few drops in your diffuser. They are extremely relaxing. They will make you feel good. And as I was saying, they've been used for centuries, thousands of years, in order to promote intimacy and help you with that. There are also a few blends that I recommend for that, and there is Passion, and well, the name says that. Passion can help you when you feel bored, when you feel like you're in a certain routine and you want to break that. So it can be extremely useful when working, but it can also be very useful in your bedroom. There is also Clary Calm, the blend for women. There is Whispered, another blend for women. And there is Forgive, because sometimes we need forgiveness. Moving on to the bathroom. The bathroom is a place where negative energies tend to gather, and we want them to flow. We want to eliminate those negative energies from different places in our house. So that's why for the bathroom, I recommend oils that support the flow and purification. And there is a blend which is named Purify, and that will help purify different spaces from negative energies. But there is also individual oils like cypress, lemongrass, lemon, lime that will help you with the smell, but they will also, as I was saying, promote a certain feeling of flow, and then energies will flow and go away, well, wherever they need to go. Yes, because we don't need them anymore. If you are a fan of meditation, there is the yoga collection. Anchor, Align, and Arise, 3 different blends which support feelings of quiet, relaxation, and help you meditate. The same as myrrh and frankincense, which, as I was saying, connect you to Mother Earth and the Divine Father. There is spikenard, the oil of gratitude, and sandalwood, which will help you connect to your inner self and achieve a sense of relaxation and put your mind at ease. I hope that the information that I've just given you will be helpful. Go get your diffuser and start diffusing in different rooms in your house, or maybe at work, wherever you are. Don't forget to respect certain rules in terms of diffusion. You have to use 1 drop per 5 square meters, but that also depends on the oil. It depends on the person, because certain people may be more sensitive than other people. And remember not to mix blends. So if you're using a blend, then don't add any other blend. You can use, you can add maybe 1 more individual oil, but otherwise don't mix blends. Thank you for being here with me today. If you need more information, join my Facebook group in Romanian, Amasterra, or email me at amasterra@goodlifevibes.com. Bye, see you next time.